Fine. So I discussed about the security in Salesforce. So I told you ki what type of things we can control, right? Suppose we have application, we have tabs, we have fields, we have objects, and we have Apex classes. We have Visual Force pages, right? We can control the login hours. We can control the IP ranges. So and also we can control the password policies, right? Also we can control the records, etc. Why etc? Because there are lots of permissions. Suppose if I'm talking about report permission, okay. Suppose if I'm talking about, you can say the flow permission, okay. So guys, everything we can control into the profiles, through the profile, and then permission set. So I told you, once you open the Salesforce, so you see this. See this here. So whatever we can see in Salesforce, like the objects, fields, tab, right? Records, applications, and you can say the login hours, IP ranges. So whatever we have, whatever we can control in Salesforce, I have mentioned here. So these things you can control in security. So I told you that Salesforce provide the few concepts. Just I'm repeating again, few concepts. So what concepts we have? We have profile. We have permission set. Also we have under sharing setting, we have OWD, we have role hierarchy, we have sharing rule, we have manual sharing. Also we have Apex sharing. One more sharing we have, Apex sharing. But you will not discuss about the Apex sharing to the interviewer, okay? Because of Apex sharing, when we use the Apex sharing. So Apex sharing, just you need to write a code. With the help of code, you can control the security. You can give the sharing permission, right? So I told you Salesforce given the few concepts. Salesforce provide the few concepts. You can say these concepts, right? And also few more things. If I'm talking about view all data, view all, modify all, and you can say the view all data and modify all data. Okay. So with the help of these concepts, from profile to this, whatever we are controlling, okay, like the Apex class, pages, hours, ranges, policies, records, etc. Whatever we can control, we will control through these concepts. So in these concepts, I told you कि everything you can control through the profile and permission set, except record. This we can control through sharing setting. So apart from record, everything whatever I mentioned here, whatever able to see, everything I control through the profile and permission set. So guys, I'm repeating again. In Salesforce, you can see here we have a number of things: objects, fields, tab, right? Application, records, page layout, record type, login hours, password policies. Everything we can control through the profile and permission set. And if I'm talking about record, then record will control through the sharing setting. It means to say under sharing settings, we have a few more concepts like the OWD, like the role hierarchy, like the manual sharing, like the automation sharing. like that. Okay, so now we can discuss one by one what is the profile. So what is the profile? I told you profile is a, guys, we have a different definition in this internet. Okay, so just to learn from, just to collect the data, collect the information from other sources like the YouTube and some blogs and all these things, and then just to tell from yourself what you understand. You need to tell, you need to define in own words, not like that just whatever in Google, whatever in Google or in YouTube, just to find and then same definition you tell to interviewer, because interviewer also know that this definition is you are getting from where. Okay, so first of all you need to understand everything and then just to learn and then own what you need to tell. Okay, so what is the profile? Profile is a collection of settings and set of permission. So because I'm telling you one more thing, in the administrator we have a less job as compared to development and all, right? But security is a very important topic, and then this will ask this will ask by the every interviewer. Okay, so if you are not good in admin, for make sure you will not shortlisted for the further like the development. If you are not able to tell the few question of development, then it's okay. But if you are not able to tell the admin interview questions in the front of interviewer, because whenever interviewer take a interview, that time interviewer asks you the 4 to 5 questions from administrator as well. Doesn't matter ki he is taking the interview of development or architect or what. 100% interviewer asks you 2 questions from the administrator. So you need to perfect in admin first, and of course you will you can perfect. Development nobody perfect, right? But in administrator you can perfect. So, and also you can get a call of the administrator as well, because there are lots of opening in Salesforce as well for the administrator nowadays. Okay, and the question is a very simple questions. Interviewer asks you the very simple questions. Okay, what is profile, what is permission set, some scenarios, basic scenarios, what you have done in your project. Okay, so not like that ki admin job we don't have. We have admin job. If you have a capability, then of course you will get a call, and then you can select there. Okay, so but yes, admin 100% need to perfect. If you are not able to tell the answer of administrator, then interviewer think about you don't know about the admin, so that they will not hire you for the further process for the development. In development, if out of 10 questions, if interviewer asks you the 10 question and then you are not able to tell the 2-3 question, 4 question, it's okay. But in administrator, if interviewer asks the 5 question and you are not able to tell the 2-3 questions, then this is a problem for you. So make sure 100%. Salesforce is a very big, right? There are lots of things in Salesforce. So you need to learn proper one by one. Don't see the people what doing. Suppose I'm telling you, okay, the integration I need the LWC, I need the you can say the Aura, I need the other things. So if you try to catch the other topics, you can say advanced topics, right? But your basic topics you forget. You don't have the clear idea about the basic topics. So this is a problem. But if you know the basic topics properly, okay, then if tough things interviewer asks you, then something here and there is no problem. But you need to concentrate on the each and every topic in the administrator and then go for the development. People think, okay, don't have the admin job. Why you are saying the admin job you don't have? You are in Facebook, right? You are on Facebook. So you can see that. In LinkedIn, you can see that. In Salesforce, we have a huge opening for the Salesforce administrator support and giving the very good package, 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs, at least. Okay. So I'm giving the training. So in that training, there's a few people selected in the Salesforce as well. And currently getting the 5 lakh package and then placed 16 lakhs, 14, 15 lakhs, like that. Okay. Business analyst, the females, most of the time, most of the cases, the female going for the business analyst profile. Just only know the admin and then getting a good package and good position. Assistant manager in Deloitte, manager in other companies, like that. So first of all, just you need to click the concept, technical concept, and what is going on the company, what is going into the company. Suppose you show I have a 4-year experience and you don't know the exact process of the company, how you get a project, how you get a task ticket, how you get a task, and how you resolve, what is the SLA, like that questions. So don't like that just to complete the training and you will 100% select. Once you complete the concept of the Salesforce, after that, you need to know about the process of the company. Okay, what is the SLA time, what type of tickets you have, etc., etc. So guys, what is a profile? Profile is a collection of settings and set of permissions. Same thing where we can control objects, fields, record type, page layout, and you can see the login hours, IP ranges, password policies, and Apex classes, pages, etc. So guys, you can see here, I have not mentioned the record. In this definition, I have not mentioned the record. It means to say, record we will not control through the profile. We will control record. Record we will control through the record we will control through the these things. Okay. So these things you can say. Okay. So now, so what we need to do? Okay. So what is the profile? I told you what is the profile, and then now what type of profile we have in Salesforce? So we have a two type of profile, right? We have a two type of profiles. One is the standard profile. Second one is the custom profile. So I told you. So what is the standard profile? Standard profile means provided by Salesforce. Custom profile means created by own, or you can say created by administrator or developer, not user. Actually, administrator and developer also a user, but problem is that user means everyone. So everyone cannot create, right? Only admin or developer can create. Okay. So this is very important to tell the answer, because you know that there are lots of people in the admin. If you get the one post for the administrator in the LinkedIn or Facebook, you will see the lots of comments, 200 comments, 300 comments. But I'm 100% sure in the 200 people think about it. Admin is very simple. Not like that. I told you, in the administrator we can create, and we are implementing the 60 to 70% project. So you think about it, 60 to 70% project we are implementing through the administrator. So this is not easy. Flow is not easy. Security is not much easy. But if you learn in the different way, if you learn just, you can say, apart from crowd, right? There are lots of crowd. So 200, 300 comments we are receiving, we are seeing, but in 200, 300 comments, I'm 100% sure only 20 people fulfill for the job. Only 20 people. Because way of talking, way of telling the answer is matter. You are seeing that, okay, I have told all the answers, but you are not shortlisted. Why? Because of you and other person giving the same answer, but the way of talking. Well, suppose you told the user, right? So just I keep in mind, okay, something missing, I will not hire you. Okay. So just you need to think about it, and then this is not a rocket science, or this is not a ISPCS question. The normal question interviewer asks you, and then you need to discuss. Just to think, whenever you're giving the interview, just to not think the interviewer asks you something. Just to think about it, just we are going to discussion for the project, for the whatever you have done. Just you need to take a direction. There are lots of opening and lots of packages and lots of companies available for the job. Doesn't matter in admin only, doesn't matter in development only. Whatever area you have, just at least one area you need to perfect. At least one area. CPQ or marketing cloud or integration or development or Aura, Lightning, LWC, whatever. At least one area you need to good, and apart from that area, you need to at least a knowledge. You don't know about the integration, but at least you need to tell what is the integration at. Previous thinking was okay, whatever you know, that things only you need to tell. Just like ISPCS, and in the software companies also, I know. If whatever you know, just to tell, don't tell the wrong answer. But this is not pure correct. Wrong answer, of course, wrong answer you will not tell, but you need to tell in the proper manner in less sentence. Like less sentence is tell the correct answer, but you can say, okay, just I have done this one with the help of this one, I don't know much. It's okay. This is not a wrong thing. But if you silence, then this is a problem. Okay. So just give me the 1 minute. Is someone asking for something? Okay, thank you. Okay. So okay. So I told you we have a standard profile and we have a custom profile. So standard profile means provided by Salesforce, and custom profile means created by owner, administrator, or developer. Okay. So just to see here, if you go to the Salesforce, click on the setup, right? This is a setup option, gear icon, click here, click on the setup. And then go here, write the profile, click on the profile. You see, guys, this is the profile option, right? So if you want to create the profile, so you can see here, we have a multiple profile, right? We can see here multiple profiles. So here you can say custom. So these are not a custom, right? So you can say how you know. First of all, you don't have the delete option. Delete button also you don't have. And also you can say here not checkbox. So this is your custom profile. Sorry, standard profile. Okay. So same thing. If you see next, go down. See this. Edit and delete. Junior admission. This is a custom profile. You can say edit and delete. This is a custom profile. But marketing user, this is not a custom profile. So guys, I want to know. You can see here we have a 2 button, edit and clone, edit and delete. So what is the mean of this one? It means to say custom profile we can delete, right? Custom profile we can delete, but standard profile you can clone. So what is the meaning? It means to say the standard profile. Do you think about it? Custom profile we cannot clone. How many people saying that custom profile is not cloning? Custom profile we can clone or not? Just I'm repeating again. Okay, give me the 1 minute. Just I'm putting the charger.
Yes. No.
Okay, so you can see here we have a standard profile and we have a custom profile. So you can see in the standard profile we have a edit and clone, but for custom profile we have edit and delete. So can we clone custom profile or not? This is my question. So how many
can clone?
We can clone, right? Okay, we can clone.
There is other tab, I think it is here.
Okay. So standard profile and custom profile also both profile you can clone, right? So that how we can create this custom profile. So you can first of all see this is standard profile. Suppose if I want to delete, then you can delete standard profile. We can delete, right? Sorry, custom profile we can delete. So the one point, standard profile we cannot delete. Standard profile we cannot delete. Custom we can. Custom profile we can delete. We can clone of standard profile as well profile as well as custom profile. Both profile we can close. So you can see here, if you go to the profile, suppose I'm talking about standard profile. So go to the standard profile. Suppose I'm talking about contact manager. If I open this one, so this profile is a standard profile, right? This profile is a standard profile. This profile is a standard profile. Okay. So you can see here, with the help of profile, you can control the login IP. You can see here also Apex classes, Visual Force pages, external data sources. External data means if you want to take a data outbound message or something, name, credential, metadata. So everything you can enable flow. So just this is a screenshot, not all the things, right? This is a short link, right? So these things you can control through the profile. So it means to say not these things, everything you can control through the profile, except record. That's why I told you. Everything you can control through the profile except record. So now you can see here, if you edit this profile, see this, we have custom application. We have custom application. So we can check or uncheck, right? We can check or uncheck. Go here, this is standard profile, right? This is standard profile. Go down, connected apps, right? Go here, connected apps means migration tool or something other things, right? Salesforce for Outlook, etc., etc. Workbench. So suppose if you not check here, it means to say this profile, you are with the help of this user ID, you are not able to open the workbench. With this profile, you cannot integrate Salesforce with the Outlook if you not check here. Okay. Anti-migration tool. I told you this is used for the deployment. Okay. Data loader bulk. So now you can see here tab setting. So guys, we have a 3 settings, default of tab. So just one more question I'm telling you. Just I'm asking you first and then I tell you. Default of tab hidden. What is the meaning of this one? Default of tab hidden. Anyone tell me? Okay. Default on means what? If you suppose this setting is available only for tab. This setting is available only for tab, right? So if any tab is default on, so what is the meaning of this one? This means your tab is visible on tab panel. What is the meaning of tab panel? This called the tab panel. Okay, this called the tab panel. So if you set the default on, so whatever tab you will set the default on, that tab will be visible to the tab panel. If you set the default off means you need to add, right? You need to add the more means what? These also in default on, but don't have the space on a tab panel. That's why shown to the more. So default off means what? If we go to the light classic, so if you set the default off means if you click on the plus sign, then you will see all the tab, whatever, just you click here and then you will see. Suppose if I'm talking about location, so location is default off. Okay, and tab hidden means nobody will see except admin. Okay, so default on means whenever you set the tab as default on, it means to say the tab will show on a tab panel or in tab bar and a tab, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, anything you can say. Okay, so you can say the tab panel, tab bar. Okay, and default of means once you click on the plus sign, once you click on plus sign, then you will find the tab. You will find the tab. you will find the tab. Tab hidden means nobody will see. Nobody will see. So these three settings available for the tab. Now you can see here, just return to back. Okay. Just go to the Lightning. Gear icon, setup, profile. Click on the profile. Go to the sender profile. Suppose I'm talking about contact manager. And if you edit this profile, this is sender profile. And if you edit this profile, you can say custom application, which means to say custom app, you can enable or disable. If you go down, tab setting also you can enable or disable. So you can set the setting for custom sender profile. But here you can see administrative permission. So guys, at the profile level, we have a object permission. Matlab, you can see object permission, field permission, and then also we have a administrative permissions, also we have a general permission. So sometime interviewer asks you, just tell me about the security in Salesforce. Simple one question. Just tell me about the security in Salesforce. So how you tell? You can say that if we can categorize the security in four ways. First one is the org label. Second one is the object label. Third one is the field label. And fourth one is the record label. So if I'm talking about first one is the org label. Second one is the field label, object label. And third one is the field label. And fourth one is the record label. So in the organization label, we can see the general permission.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, if you before you telling tab is default of, we can show the tab in show the object in the object manager. Yes, sir.
Yes. See.
Object.
Yes, actually, just I'm telling you. Okay, if you set the default off means that tab is not visible on a tab panel. It's a tab panel.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes,
and if you set the default off, then in the Lightning, just you need to click on the something here. I think this is some setting issue. That's why I'm not able to give. Just you need to add. I think if you see that, then you can add. But if I'm talking about the Light Classic, so you can see here plus sign. If you click on the plus sign, then you can see the laptop or any, suppose if I'm talking about libraries or asset or whatever. These settings are a default off.
Okay, sir. But tab hidden is there. Some only administrator will be see the object. Some manager level will be not shown there.
If tab hidden, just if you see that, if you say the tab hidden option, then tab hidden for any profile. Suppose for administrator profile tab hidden, then for admin will not able to. For any profile, this is set by you. Okay. So tab hidden means nobody can see. Even the tab is available in the Salesforce org, but nobody see based on the profile. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now, so you can see, we can suppose someone, this is a very general question of the interview. Interviewer not ask you the one by one question. Interviewer asks you only just to tell me security in Salesforce. Security in Salesforce means not like that, just to tell the 2, 3 lines, 4 lines and finish. At least 15-20 minutes you need to tell about the security. Till interviewer say, okay, yes, fine. Until the interviewer say, fine. So you need to start from properly in proper segment. First you say, basically security we can divide into the four level. First one is the organization level, second one is the object level, third one is the field level, and fourth one is the record level. Organization level we can categorize the general permission, and then you can say the administrative permission. Second one is the object permission, third one is the field permission and record permission. So object permission, you know that we need to control the record object. Field permission, you need to see you need to know that we can control the field security, right? So org label means general and administrative. So what is the meaning of general and administrative? Means suppose if you are not able to run a report, if you are not able to run a flow, if you are not able to some other things like that, you are not able to convert the lead. So these things comes under the general permission and administrative permissions. And object permission, field permission, and educator password policies, login hours. These things you can consider as in a org level. So if anyone asks you what is the meaning of org level, so you can explain that the org level means general permission and administrative permission, whatever I tell you. Okay. So object level means field level record level we need to control the records in the record level, right? So and after that, just to tell the profile, sir, we have a profile and permission set. So in the profile we can control through the profile. We can control the objects, etc. with the help of profile. And then we have a permission set also. So just to tell the concept of permission set, and then move for the record level. So if you want to control the record level, then we need to go for the OWD, role hierarchy, etc. Then you need to explain the OWD, you need to explain the role hierarchy, you need to explain the manual sharing and automation sharing and all. So this is a sequence, not like that just to pick the sharing rule first and then you last you tell the profile. Okay, not like that. So this is the trick of the convincing to interviewer. Interviewer will be happy. Nobody asks you see interviewer, what is the meaning of interviewer, right? Interviewer don't want to not select. This is a pressure for interviewer. Okay, because suppose if I'm a manager or if I'm a tech lead, I will take your interview. I don't want you will not select. But yes, if I select a wrong person, then this is a problem for me. Once you come into the company and then again and again I will tell you everything, then I will frustrate and you also frustrate and client also frustrate. Everyone will frustrate, right? But if you tell proper answer, then interviewer will happy and then of course interviewer will select you. Nobody know everything, right? There are lots of questions interviewer also don't. So just to think about it, whatever you knowledge, honestly, you tell me I know about these things, and then if I get a chance, then I can do that. Okay. So now we can see this one. So you can see now move. So my one question, you can see the administrative permission. So here we cannot edit or delete. Whatever permission we have, we cannot change. Go to the general permission. You cannot change. If suppose I want to give this permission, I cannot give. Standard objects, whatever object we have, see this, right? We cannot edit or something, select or deselect. Custom object permission, you cannot do anything. Session setting, you can do. Password policies, you can do. So guys, one more question I'm asking. If you have a sender profile, then why you go for the custom? If you have a sender, you can say that more than 40 plus profile available for the sender. So if you have a sender profile in Salesforce org, then why you go for the custom profile? Because of, you see this. So first of all, this question I'm telling you answer. I hope that few people know. So if you have a standard profile, suppose I'm talking about contract manager. I'm talking about system administrator. Okay. So we have a two profile and both profile are the standard profile. Okay. So if we have a standard profile, then why go for the custom profile? So first question. Second question, how you create a custom profile? So with the help of cloning, just you can clone. You can clone custom profile. Sorry, you can clone customer standard. Customer standard profile to create custom profile. I'm sure that lots of people don't know about the key. We can clone the custom profile or not. Okay, so you need to know proper thing. So you can clone the custom or standard profile to create a custom profile. People saying that okay, how we can create a custom profile? So everyone say that okay, just we can clone the standard profile. Or you can say this is not a correct answer. Answer is this: you can clone a profile, then you can create a custom profile. Or you can say we can clone a standard profile or custom profile to create a custom profile. Okay, so it means to say without cloning we cannot create a custom profile without cloning. So now the second question I asked, if you have a standard profile, then why we create a custom profile? So guys, if anyone asks you, is standard profile can be customized or not? Sender profile can be customized or not? Of course,
No.
you can do. You can do. I shown you. This is sender profile, right? This is sender profile. Of course, you cannot customize these things. But if you go to the up, what you are doing? You are customizing. What you are doing? What you are doing? You are customizing. So sender profile also you can customize, but not fully. You need to tell this answer. Okay, it's just we can customize only tag setting, only application setting, and few more setting, password policies and all. Okay, not tell the all the things. We cannot customize the object label. We cannot customize the object setting. We cannot customize the custom object setting. We cannot customize the administrative permission. We cannot customize the general permission, but we can customize the tab setting. We can customize the other things. Got it? So this type of answer you need to tell. It means to say if you tell this type of thing, then I will see, okay, you have a clear idea about that. Because where you stuck, everyone will stuck. Not like that if someone is different. Suppose if I'm asking someone one question, and if something critical, then other person also will face that same problem. If that person will not learn properly, just ऊपर का पढ़ लिया, ठीक है, ये ऐसे होता है, ऐसे होता है, इट्स ओके. आपने भी ट्रेल हेड लगाया, you have done the trail head, other person also done the trail head. So everything just you also seen the YouTube, other person also seen the YouTube, right? So just you need to think about the where you feel that you think the question in yourself. Okay, कि भाई if just you think about it, okay, if you learn the profile, just to keep in mind, okay, what type of questions raised from you itself. खुद से पूछो कि क्या क्वेश्चन हमने जो है, guys, just I'm telling you in Hindi and English, okay, so that might repeating again, might be someone not able to understand Hindi, but I'm telling you in both. Okay, so आपको ये पता करना है कि खुद से पूछो कि ये क्वेश्चन ये होता है, ऐसा हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता, और देख लो उसको, आराम से आपका निकल जाएगा, क्लियर हो जाएगा. Okay, now, so guys, I'm telling you कि if you have a sender profile, then why you go for the custom profile? So you have seen that we cannot customize fully the custom sender profile. Suppose if you don't want to give this access, how you can? You cannot in this. This is sender profile. So you need to clone off this one. Suppose for example, we have a two user one. We have a user one and user two. User one, I have given the system admin profile, and second user I want give the system admin also, but not give the contact permission. No. So what you do, you will assign the one profile to, you will assign the system admin profile to user one. For user two, आपको क्या करना है, सब कुछ देना है, but you will not give the what contact permission. मतलब अगर आपने इसको system admin दिया तो what will happen? Everyone will see, right? Everything will see. This user also, but you don't want to give the contact permission. So what is the way? So just to create a custom profile, right? अब custom profile आपको create करना पड़ेगा, and that custom profile you need to assign to the user two, right? Custom profile you need to create, and that custom profile you need to assign to the user two. No, we cannot assign the permission set. Permission set you can assign, you can give the permission set, but in which case permission set you can extend a permission. But here I'm talking about the less access, not more access. हम permission set से क्या करना चाह रहे हैं? Permission set हम कब यूज करते हैं? When we need to give the extra permission. But यहाँ पे मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि देना है आपको system admin की तरह, लेकिन एक contact की permission कम कर देनी. Just you need to less the contact permission. So this is not possible for the permission set. Because here I am क्या करने जा रहे हो यहाँ पे? You are giving the less permission, जो कि possible नहीं permission set. Okay, this is a very important question. Can we give the less permission to permission from permission set? No, we cannot give. the one liner sir. Okay, so what you need to do, just to go here, create a clone, create a custom profile. So how you create a custom profile? Because in this sender profile you cannot cloning. Suppose if I go to the profile again, click the profile, go here, and then suppose go to the system admin. System admin. So this is your system admin profile. Edit this one. So suppose if you go to the object, just to enter standard object. So I don't want to give the contact condition. So you need to give the less access. So but here you cannot edit, right? Because this is standard profile. Whatever provided by Salesforce, वही आप कर सकते हो, उतना ही होगा आपके लिए, ज्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा. लेकिन अब आपको इसको कस्टमाइज करना है. तो अब इसको कस्टमाइज करना है, तो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ कस्टम प्रोफाइल ऑफ दिस वन. क्लोन किसको करोगे आप? इसको क्लोन करोगे, राइट? क्लोन किसको करोगे? इस प्रोफाइल को क्लोन करोगे. अच्छा, अगर आप मैं बोलूँ कि कॉन्टेक्ट मैनेजर को क्लोन कर दो, तो मैं बोलूँ कि रीड वैल्यू को क्लोन कर दो, तो बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी प्रोफाइल वी हैव ऑल द सेटिंग्स गाइस. सारी प्रोफाइल्स में व्हाटएवर प्रोफाइल्स वी हैव, जितनी भी प्रोफाइल्स आपके पास हैं, सारी प्रोफाइल में सेटिंग सेम होती है. बट अनचेक और चेक का फर्क होता है. आप जो भी प्रोफाइल उठा लो जो कि सेल्सफोर्स लाइसेंस होगा, वो सारी स्टैंडर्ड लाइसेंस से जो अटैच है, वो सारे में सेटिंग सेम होती है. ऑल द सेटिंग्स इज अवेलेबल इनटू द ऑल द प्रोफाइल्स, ऑल द स्टैंडर्ड प्रोफाइल्स, बट अनचेक और चेक नहीं होगा. तो अगर आपको क्रिएट करना है, तो जस्ट यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ कस्टम प्रोफाइल. तो हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट अ कस्टम प्रोफाइल? क्लोनिंग ऑफ दिस वन, बिकॉज ऑफ कि आपको क्लोन वही करना है जो उसकी क्लोन होगा, नजदीक होगा, राइट? जस्ट टू क्लिक ऑन द न्यू, यहां से भी कर सकते हो, एंड देन अदरवाइज यू कैन गो हियर, क्लिक हियर. नाउ यू कैन सी सिस्टम एडमिन. So just I write the admin 201 without contact. Save this one. This profile you created. You created this profile. So as of now, this profile and this profile, this profile and this profile, सिस्टम एडमिन, एनी डिफरेंस? अभी तक कोई डिफरेंस है? अगर मैं इसको भी एडिट कर रहा हूं और इसको भी एडिट कर दिया मैंने, एनी डिफरेंस? नो, अभी कोई डिफरेंस नहीं, बिकॉज दिस इज ए क्लोनिंग. अभी तो सिर्फ ये क्लोन है, अभी तो जस्ट एग्जैक्ट कॉपी है, नॉट डिफरेंस. बट कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, आप देख सकते हो, नथिंग डिफरेंस. बट आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? now you are able to edit this one. Just go here. Now go to the contact, uncheck कर दो. It means to say, so for this profile, this is a custom profile, right? For this profile and this profile you need to assign the user. अभी इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, अभी इसको आपको assign करना है. View users, if you want to see कि भाई आपके पास whatever profile you have, किसको किसको assign है. If you click here, view user, किसी को assign नहीं. Got it? Suppose if you have a one profile and I want to see, okay, how many users for this belong to this profile. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Just you add the view users. Just to see the view users, click on this button. You are not able to see the, you don't have any user for this profile. Now if you want to add, just to click on the add. If you want to new user, just to click on the new user. If you click on the add. So guys, interviewers ask you sometime just to tell me how many ways you can reset a password. Simple question. तो आपको अभी तक क्या पता चला? हमेशा आप जाते हो कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे. कहाँ पे जाते हो? यहाँ पे जाते हो. Just go to the user. Always आप यहीं से पासवर्ड रिसेट करते हो, राइट? Go to the user and then reset the password. आप इसको यहाँ पे करते हो, जस्ट इसको चेक करते हो और रिसेट करते हो पासवर्ड, राइट? सेंड हो गया। बट देखो यहां से भी कर सकते हो, अब वो पूछ सकता है कि हाउ मेनी वेज वी कैन रिसेट द पासवर्ड। तो आप जब प्रोफाइल पे जाके क्लिक ऑन द व्यू यूजर एंड देन यू कैन से वी, और यहीं से आप न्यू यूजर भी क्रिएट कर सकते हो। गॉट इट? बैक, यहीं से आप जो है ऐड मल्टीपल यूजर कर सकते हो। तो हाउ मेनी वेज वी, तो मल्टीपल यूजर की बात आ रही है, कितने यूजर क्रिएट कर सकते हो एक बार में? तो आप डेटा लोडर के थ्रू भी कर सकते हो। यू कैन क्रिएट ए यूजर फ्रॉम द बल्क यूजर, सपोज यू वांट टू क्रिएट ए 50 यूजर्स एट ए टाइम, then also you can create a from data loader, because user also a record, user is also a record, right? So you can create a bulk user at a time in one shot, not only one by one. If you want to create on this button, just only few users, just you need to add the few permission. See this one, add users. What license you want? We don't have the Salesforce license. Salesforce platform license we have only the code one. Just you need to pull the basic information, 2 3 and then save. फिर again 3 3 3 3 3 3 like that. Okay, so this one. So now you can see here this profile and that profile, whatever you create the clone, now you assign that particular profile. So suppose if I go to the user, go to the user, sorry, go to the user, login. This user have a this profile, so I need to give the this permission. What profile I created? I created the this one, right? And save this one.
Yeah.
So this user, if you log in this user, everything about everything just like a system admin, everything. But you log in as a testing user. So everything just like a system admin. But if you go to the contact, not able to see. Contact you're not able to see. You can see this. Contact is not able to see. Now, if you go here for this user, give the read permission. Contact we don't have. This contact is not this one. Check, refresh. Okay, we don't have that. Login as a testing user. Now, if you go to the profile, if you want to extend the access, go to the profile, click on the profile, click here this profile. Just you need to give the contact read only access. देखो, for this user, from this user, also I am able to edit the profile and etc. etc. Because this user also admin, but accept the contact. Accept the contact permission. Just go to the contact. देखो, just give the read only. So for this profile, we have only the read only. Now you can see this. If you refresh, contact, right? But in this contact, you have a read only. We don't have the new button. आप खाली read कर सकते हो. We don't have the any button. New button you don't have, right? So it means to say for contact object, we have given only the read permission. It means to say I as testing user only read the records, and also we don't have the write permission, and then create permission also we don't have. So guys, we have a very interesting scenarios for these topics, this topic. Okay. So but today just I have it, time is over. Okay. So do one thing, just you have any question, just you can ask for 10 minutes, and then let me tell you the next session, okay, when I can take, because I hope that if few people have a some office work and all the things. So early morning I can manage. Okay. Otherwise, we will meet under, because I have a session also, a training session. Okay. So I cannot skip that things. So this session I will take a weekend. Most probably the weekend, if any chance, I can take. Okay. So just I created the group. Oh, sorry. Telegram I have not created till now because someone operating this group and all these things. So just I will create Telegram and add the people who interested. Otherwise I will, because in this group we have 100 people now, but only comes 20 people, right? So मुझे वैसे नहीं करना है कि सबको ठीक है उसमें कुछ मिल रहा है, प्रसाद मिल रहा है उसमें कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ग्रुप में. ओके. तो who available जिसको सीरियस है, और you know that what is the importance of Salesforce, what is the importance of your career, what is the importance of other things. आपको पता है क्या है, तो अपने हिसाब से आपको मैनेज करना है. तो जो लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, आई विल ऐड द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड देन आई विल सपोर्ट देयर. ठीक है. और बाकी जो है मेरा ट्रेनिंग सेशन है जो कि मैं कंटिन्यू ले रहा हूँ, तो मैं उसको स्किप नहीं करूंगा. और फिर सैटरडे को मिलते हैं, एंड सैटरडे संडे आई विल कंप्लीट होल द सिक्योरिटी सिनारियोज, एंड आई एम 100% श्योर आफ्टर दैट यू विल नॉट स्टक ऑन ए प्रोफाइल. मतलब सिक्योरिटी कोई भी सिनारियो इंटरव्यूअर पूछेगा आप बता सकोगे. आई एम 100% श्योर. कैसा भी सिनारियो, सिक्योरिटी इज द मोर कंफ्यूजिंग टॉपिक एंड मोर इजी टॉपिक, बोथ दोनों चीजें हैं, वाइस वर्सा. बट आपको एक बार पकड़ में आना चाहिए कि बोल क्या रहा है, क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. इंपॉर्टेंट इन सिक्योरिटी जस्ट द इंपॉर्टेंट इज द क्वेश्चन, आंसर तो बाद में होगा, क्योंकि सिक्योरिटी में हम पूरा एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते क्वेश्चन. इंटरव्यूअर ने आपको बोला वी हैव टू यूजर्स, वन यूजर प्रोफाइल दिस वन एंड सेकंड यूजर प्रोफाइल दिस वन एंड इफ आई एम गिविंग द परमिशन एंड ऑल, तो आप उतने में ही आपको प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. आपको लगता है यार पता नहीं क्या पूछ लिया इसने. तो आपको पहले समझना है क्वेश्चन कि उसने बोला क्या है. एक बार आप बोलोगे फिर से बता दो, दो बार बोलोगे तिबारा नहीं बोलोगे, राइट. आप बोलोगे नहीं आता, मतलब ये शांत हो जाओगे, तो उसको लगेगा कि आपको नहीं आ रहा है. इवन आपको आ रहा है, आप क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं पा रहे उसका. तो ट्राई टू प्रैक्टिस फॉर द क्वेश्चन इवन इन सिक्योरिटी ओनली. अदर तो बाकी तो सिंपल है, बाकी में तो सब कुछ पता रहता है आपको क्या बोल रहा है क्या पूछ रहा है, बट सिक्योरिटी में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन होता है. ओके. सो गाइस, so thank you so much. Okay, so just you ask the question. If you have any question, just please tell me so that we can take a question session, and then I close this one for today. Just give it a 1 minute, please.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, please. Any confusion or any doubt, you can ask. And I just said you can send a message on a group also, so that if you have any query or something, you can also discuss there also. Okay. So if any, I think you don't have any question from here, not much. But you have anything, then you can ask. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay. Just what question? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Rakesh,
Just tell me. Thank you.
you mentioned all the standard profiles is there, right? Around 40 plus. By default, all the things are enabled actually.
Yes, of course, all the things enabled. All the things means see, profile is associated with the license. Got it? Suppose we have a standard license. So under a standard license, we have a Salesforce. Standard license is what? Salesforce license. Okay. So under the Salesforce license, we have some profiles. Not all the 40 plus, some profiles like the system admin, contact manager, solution manager, read only, like that. And also we have another license, standard platform. So standard platform license is a free license. किसके साथ मिलता है? जब whenever you take a license from Salesforce, तो फ्री देता है. उसके साथ में आपका जो पेड करना होता है वो स्टैंडर्ड लाइसेंस का करना होता है, मतलब Salesforce लाइसेंस का करना होता है. You need to pay the amount for Salesforce license, and with the Salesforce license, Salesforce company give you the other license as well, free of cost. Just like suppose if you have a developer account, So in the developer account, Chatter account, you have a Chatter license, right? So in the Chatter license, just you go here, just I go setup. If you go here and write the company information, click on the company information. So you can see here, we have some license, user license. I will tell you also the license. So Salesforce license, this is standard license. So you need to pay for this one. Okay, so only 2 licenses you have. And you can see the Chatter free 500, right? 5,000. And if the Salesforce license, Salesforce can give the 5,000, then well and good. इससे अच्छा कोई बात ही नहीं होगा. मतलब इसका मतलब है कि you need no need to pay to Salesforce. Only 2 licenses you have. So in this license you have a few profiles, not all the 40 plus. So उसके अंदर वो सारे आएंगे, read only, etc. etc. अब Salesforce platform, I have a Salesforce platform. We have a 3 license, use license 0, remaining 3. Just go to the Salesforce user license. Just go to the user, click on the user. New user. Salesforce platform license. This one. So under this license, we have only this profile, not other profile. Got it? इस license, अगर ये हमारा Salesforce होता, just you go to the Salesforce license, तो इसके अंदर हमारा you have only this profile, not system admin, contact manager, solution manager. But if you go to the user, click on the user, and just I deactivate this user, edit, sorry, log out, login. So if you go here and then click on the user, so all the profile, whatever discussed, maximum profile, just to edit this one, deactivate this user and save. Now you can see, sorry, you cannot, this is a very important question. Whenever you deactivate the user, what you need to think? This user is a part of email alert. That's why you are not directly deactivate. But first, what you need to do? You need to remove from email alert this user. Then you can deactivate this profile. This is the latest certification question. Latest certification question I have seen yesterday. If you are going to delete, if you are going to deactivate the user, we have a 4 option, right, in the certification question. तो उसमें लिखा था कि how we can do. You can do or not do if this is the email alert part. So आप got it? I am telling you कि all the profile we have 40 plus, but only for standard profiles. Standard profile means standard and custom doesn't matter, but yes, only few profiles. Okay, so related to standard license. So otherwise, okay, with the other, not like that. Just if you go to the Salesforce platform license and go see the system admin, etc. No, I will clear in the other sessions for the licenses. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Any other?
Hello, one more question.
Yes.
You mentioned the profile is a collection of
permissions.
Permissions, right?
Collection settings and set of permissions. You can.
Yeah, but the permission set is also same like that.
No,
there is other thing is
permission set is just like a. What is the permission set? Permission set just like a top up. जैसे क्या होता है आपको? Whenever suppose if you recharge a mobile phone for 1 month, right? 200 rupees for 1 month. You can call, you can message, you can data and all. But once suppose per day data. So once the 1 GB data finish, then what you need to do? You need to add on, right? 25 rupees or 15 rupees or whatever. So add on. Okay. So without changing the validity period, you just do add on. The same thing here. Without changing the profile, whenever you want to give the extra permission. So how definition you tell? Just to tell permissions is just like a top up. Whenever you want to give the extra permission to the user without changing the profile, we use the permission set. So interviewer will happy. Okay, good answer. Got it?
Hello, sir.
Yes,
okay, Rajesh. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. I have one question. Sir, whenever I am going to create a user in sandboxes, in to prod sandbox or in PCSB sandbox, then I am facing one issue. I'm not able to reset the password whenever I'm going to user and giving him cashier profile.
Got it. Sometimes what is happening? So whenever you create a user in sandbox, then if you write the email address, so how you write? Because see, sandbox, suppose if I'm talking about sandbox and production. So in sandbox, whenever you create a user in sandbox, that time, not like that, user will suddenly open the sandbox. Production will open. But so email address, you will suppose if I'm talking about the d@gmail.com. This is your email address. So d@gmail.com dot invalid. You need to mention this one.
Okay.
All the company, for all the company, whenever you create a user first time in Salesforce, always you will mention whenever you create a user ID, because if you see this one and then username, what will be the username? Sorry, what will be the username? d@gmail.com and sandbox name, whatever sandbox name you have, right? So this is a username. Otherwise, what is the difference between sandbox username and password and production username, right? तो आपको अभी यहाँ पे ये करना होगा, this will be the username, और as जो email address होगा, first time create this one. Whenever you send a password, reset password, then just to remove this one, invalid, and then click on the notification bar checkbox last. You can see this one. If you create any user, because this is a production, but no problem, I can show you. If you click here, if you go here, and if you go last, sorry, if you edit this one, this generate a new password and notification user immediately. So here in sandbox, here always mention the .invalid. Okay, .invalid. So you and save this. One. Okay.
Sorry, I'm not getting. Sorry for interrupt. Just I want to clear it.
Okay.
If I'm having means right now we have refresh near to prod sandbox. Okay, so I am going to create a new user for previous. So I am facing single sign-on error for resetting password.
Single sign-on error you are facing.
Yes.
In your and your email address is the same, but not.
Whenever I'm going to create any user for cashier profile, for admin profile, and I'm clicking on the reset password for that users, because whenever I'm going to create a users, they will receive the email, and with the help of that email link, they will able to reset their password and log in, right? So at that time, what I'm facing single sign-on error. So what should I do for removing it?
See, actually, I cannot tell right now because of what is the email address for that user? The same email address or something email .invalid or something?
No. Just one official email address. For example, pratiksha.kunte@beachsupporter.com. Email address.
So actually, I can't say right now. So do one thing, Deepika. Okay. Once I have a time today or tomorrow, just to show me personally. Okay. You can show me session setting, single sign-on. If you go here, single sign-on. So on setting, something you need to change here, but I need to see the delegated authentication and then 20 single. We cannot say, I cannot, because some option is also not available in the developer account. Okay. So single, especially for single sign-on, I'm telling you. So without seeing, I'm not able to tell you. So do one thing, I can help you on that. So once you're free and I also free, okay, so just to connect with me and then I tell you what.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay, yes.
Sure, sir. Thank
Any
you so
proxy,
much.
Okay. Any proxy blocking from your company? No proxy, I think you are saying that to Deepika, Venkatesh?
Yes, Rakesh.
I think not, because if the Deepika is trying to send the reset password only and just giving the error key single sign-on error. So Deepika, can you tell me the exact error just to give me the on WhatsApp whatever error, just to click on the photo and then you send me personal WhatsApp number, personal in the sense, personal inbox, okay, not in group.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Because this is confidential, so that's why I'm telling you. Okay. तो आप मुझे just you photo click करके मुझे दे देना, then I will tell you what is it.
Thank you, sir. Sure.
Okay. Sure. Thank you. So for videos, I'm telling you, okay, for videos, I'm telling you, just YouTube, I uploaded yesterday videos and today videos I also upload now. Okay. and then you go there and then download from there. And on WhatsApp, this is a 1 hour session. So in WhatsApp, we are not able to send the video because it's a long video. Okay. So I will create a group on Telegram and then I will upload there also. But I need to see the how many people I need to add there, because I told you we have a multiple people in the group, but only join the few people. Okay. So just I will think about it, and then, but as of now, if you want this video, then go to the YouTube channel and then just to subscribe also. I request to you all subscribe and then you can download from there. Okay. Fine. Everyone, any other question? I have a session. Sorry guys, if you have any other question. So just you can let me just next session or personally you can WhatsApp me. Okay. And because I'm going for the other session as well. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for the joining. Okay. Bye bye. Thanks. Bye.